Hey guys, I'm Kosta Kreativa and I welcome you to my channel. My new background is here and take a second and enjoy it. Boom, I'm so in love with it. Today I thought, since I have so many MAC products, I should give it a go and do a full face using only MAC products. I gathered all of them together, also my brushes and a palette I once bought. Yeah, I'm not using these a lot because I think there are so many better options and more affordable options, but since I have so much stuff, let's give it a try. So I'm starting priming my face using this skin-based Visage. It's just a sample, but the big version of it is 31 bucks. It claims to smooth based on special effect silicones and absorbs all the excess oils and compensates for redness. And this thing already has a sheen to it. There is some kind of shimmer in here. So I'm not using too much. And I'm just dabbing it in the areas where I want my pores to be minimized. So this would be on my cheeks, a little bit on my forehead, and the tiniest bit on my nose, and just work it into your skin. The next product I'm using is the strobe cream. It's in goldlite. It's a liquid highlighter. It's 33 bucks and it claims to be hydrating and luminizing. And you can either work this in with a beauty blender or just with the tips of your fingers.
Now we will go back home today, until the very...
Now let's go on with foundation, and I have the Face&Body, which is 38 bucks and it's very hydrating, but it also has a very sheer, very light coverage. So I'm mixing it with the Pro Longwear, which is full coverage, the waterproof one, and this one is 35 bucks. It also has a satin finish, so these two mix very well together. So if this is too less coverage, this is too much, boom, there you go. And I'm using the shades C1 and NC25 on my 190 brush from MAC. As next I'm going in with contour, and the only creamy thing I have is this dark concealer palette. It has 4 concealer shades and 2 color correcting shades, and I am going to use this shade right here. It's a bit warm toned, it's very orange, so I have to be very careful. And the only brush I have for this is the 217, which is a crease brush, but I'm going to try and make that work. I'm super surprised this worked so much better than I thought it would, and I only did this using this 217. It looks a bit brighter on this side, but that's only because I have a window right there and it's brightening up my face, but yeah, it's okay, I like it. So now I'm going in with concealer. I cleaned my 217 and I'm going in with the same palette. This one is in light. It's also 35 bucks and it claims to be crease proof and has an 8-hour wear. Let's see about that. I'm using the shade in the right hand corner. Let's give it a whirl. Sadly, I have to cheat a little bit. I somehow lost my mascara and my loose powder was empty. So I powdered my face already, and as next I'm going in with an eyebrow pencil. This one is spiked. And this is, let me check, it's 18 bucks. So I'm gonna fill them in using this teeny tiny pencil. And next I'll be carving them out using the concealer shade again.
We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all. Lose it all. Feel it in your arms. Feel it in your legs. Feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go. Just let your body go.
Now let's continue with the eyes. I'm using a Pro Longwear Paintpot. This one is Chilled on ice. And I am going in with my finger. This thing is 22 bucks. And I'm going to set this using the pigment Vanilla, and this one is also 22 bucks. Just pour a little bit in the lid. Maybe that was a little bit too much. And now I'm using the 228, it's a mini shader brush, and I'm going to pat vanilla all over my lid.
Why do I feel like I linger? Linger between the words you say the words you remember.
To darken up my outer corner a little bit and the crease, I'm using the Taupe. It's a contour shade, and this one is 17 bucks. So I'm again using my 217, packing it on. Boom, and now let's just put it in the outer V and the crease.
I wonder what went wrong today, eh? Why do I feel like I linger?
I also smoke up my under eye using Taupe, and I'm going in with the 219, a small pencil brush. So again, grabbing it onto my brush, get rid of the excess, and then smoke it out. As highlights for the brow and the inner corner, I'll be also using Vanilla. For the brow, I'm just grabbing the brush again. It's the 228. And for the inner corner, I'm grabbing a little bit of Fix Plus. This stuff is 26 bucks. I'm spritzing a little bit on the back of my hand, wetting the brush, and going in Vanilla again. For the waterline, I'll be going in with the Studio Chromatic pencil crayon. It's in the shade NC15 NW20, and this one is, I think, 17 bucks.
Now we will go back home today, until
Because I lost my MAC mascara, I have to go in with another one, and I'll be using the Push Up Angel by Maybelline. I love this stuff, it gives you the right va-va-voom for your lashes, and it's super affordable too, so be right back. Let's continue with the face. Okay, what is missing? Highlight and blush. And for blush, I'll be going in to you. This is Fleur Power. It's 17 bucks and looks like this. Since the 217 is the only fluffy brush I have from MAC, I have to use it again. I know it's very teeny tiny and it's gonna be difficult, but I think I can make it work. So I'm using the Fleur Power, putting it all over my brush. And now let's pray.
today, I linger. Linger between the words you say.
This worked out so much better than I thought it would. Yeah, fleur power and this teeny tiny brush. Good tea. Let's continue with highlight, and I'm going to use the Pearl Cream shadow as a base, and I'm going in with my finger to pat this onto the high points of my cheek, and I'm going to set this with vanilla again. So now let's finish off this face and do the lips. I am going in with half red. This is a lip pencil. I'm going to outline my lips at first.
The words you remember. Now we're here to take control.
And now to fill them in, I'm going in with red Necessity. I couldn't find this one on the MAC website. I think they took it out of the stock. But I found it on Amazon for around 18 to 15 bucks. It's a very deep red, warm shade, and I think it would suit this look. So let's give it a try. To get a more precise lip, I'm going in with the 231 again, grabbing a little bit more of the lipstick and then blending them together. Yeah guys, that's it. That's my full face using only MAC products. I had so much fun doing it. I have not a lot left. Everything else was in use. I will calculate all the prices together and let you know what this face is worth. And yeah, leave me a comment. Check my Instagram, it's the same name like here. And I hope you liked it. Leave me a thumbs up. Have a good one. Bye!
It's gonna get so much louder. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all.